Today, we're fixing a silent speaker. A sudden silence is frustrating, but before buying a replacement, let's fix it step by step, restoring the sound you love. First, diagnosis. Is the speaker the issue, or is it your audio setup? Test the speaker with a known good source. If using an amplifier, try different speakers to confirm the amp works. Conversely, connect the suspect speaker to a different working amplifier. This elimination process is key. If the speaker is the problem, we move to visual inspection. Examine the driver, the cone that produces sound. Look for visible damage, tears, punctures, or warping. Check the surround, the flexible ring. It should be intact and pliable, not cracked. Inspect terminals for corrosion or loose connections. Next, wiring. Loose or damaged wires are common. For passive speakers, trace wires from the amplifier to the terminals. Ensure connections are secure. Is polarity correct? Reversed polarity can cause phase issues. For complex wiring inside the cabinet, disconnect power first. For active speakers, the internal amplifier might be the issue. If comfortable with electronics, open the cabinet unplugged. Look for burnt components, bulging capacitors, or loose solder joints. Sometimes reflowing solder helps. For circuit board issues, professional help is safer. Another common issue is a damaged voice coil. The voice coil is a wire within a magnetic gap. Damage or detachment causes silence. Test continuity with a multimeter. If no continuity, the voice coil is likely blown and needs repair or replacement. Consider the crossover network in passive speakers. This circuit directs frequencies to different drivers. A faulty capacitor, inductor, or resistor can silence a driver. A multimeter can test components, but complex crossovers may need schematic knowledge. If a specific driver tweeter woofer isn't working, and it's not wiring or crossover, the driver might be faulty. Many drivers are replaceable. Identify the driver's make, model, or specifications, impedance, size. Unscrew the old driver, disconnect wires, and install the new one, ensuring correct polarity. Sometimes the problem is a blown fuse. Many powered speakers have fuses for protection. Check your manual to locate it. Replace with a fuse of the exact same rating. If the new fuse blows immediately, there's an underlying electrical fault. For wireless or Bluetooth speakers, connection issues are critical. Ensure proper pairing. Try forgetting and repairing the speaker. Check for firmware updates. Also, consider battery life. A low battery can cause